Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add video visualizer in a video editor online. And in here, I'm going to use the Veed.io as my video editor. So what you need to do is just find Veed on your browser, on your search engine, and then just click on this page. Wait for it to load. So after you open the Veed.io, you can just click on this start for free and wait for the video editor to be open. You can see this is the video you can create, edit, and also share video. So in here, there are two options. You can sign in or you can just continue without sign in. So I'm going to just create a free account using my Google account. Just click on Google and then here the Veed will ask you to choose an email address. You can just select one, then click on continue and just wait until you are successfully signed in into Veed. Okay, so now what you need to do is just add a video into your Veed in here, your timeline. Just click on media and here click on upload a file, or you can drag and drop a file. Here I'm going to just find one. Okay, so for example, I'm going to add this video, click on open and just wait. Okay, so now the video has been added, and to easily add the audio wave or audio visualizer, you can go to elements. So just scroll down and click on elements. Here you can easily find sound waves. If you want to see all of the options, you can just click on view all in here. Then just select the audio visualizer that you want to. So for example, I'm going to add okay, this one's right here. You can see it will automatically add it into the video. You can always adjust it. You can change the style. Here you can also adjust the duration. And here you can also add animations. Okay, I'm going to try to add another. So if you want to make the sound wave moves, you need to add, or your video need to have a voiceover or audio on it. So when you play it, the
Hi
sound
guys, so
wave
this is
will
how you
move
can add sound
along
waves
with
or
the
visualizer.
audio. Here you can change the color if you want to. Just adjust it to how you like it. And it will change accordingly.
Hi guys.
So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.